Let's see if I can demystify this strobe thing for you guys. This is the mount that this bare bulb flash goes in. I need to put that on the camera stand or the light stand. This is a bracket for the power pack. Need to put the power source on our light. I'm going to loosen this up, expose the bulb. Press this button to bend this guy down a little bit. Then I have to insert it in here. I have enough room. Need a little more room than that. There we go. And there we're good. This one's a little sticky. Looking for the tabs. It's just the controller. What I need to do is put the battery on the power pack, and then with this, it goes right into there. Okay. And if I hold this button down, yeah, we see the lights come on. So now we're ready to roll.